Meat lollipops made with Iberico pork belly steak and Coppa. Yeah, this is gonna be really good. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Iberico pork belly steak lollipops with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. So pork belly steak is a very well marbled cut. Let's open up the package and I'll show you. And you can see tremendous intramuscular fat. This cut has a little bit of fat, so we're gonna trim that off. Then we also wanna trim the edges, so we have a nice thin rectangular cut of pork belly steak. We're gonna spread a jam all across the surface. I like this apple cranberry jam. Then we're gonna add thinly sliced Iberico Coppa, and I'm gonna add a lot. We wanna season the inside with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then some sweet Spanish paprika pimenton. Then we're gonna carefully roll this up into a really tight roll, and we wanna secure it with long skewers. Make sure that you have 1 inch to 1.5 inches between each skewer. You also wanna make sure that you poke the skewers all the way through. Then we're gonna slice the pork belly steak between the skewers so we get independent lollipops. We're also gonna season the outside with some salt. We're gonna season it with some pepper, and then of course a little bit more of the pimenton. The Iberico lollipops are now seasoned, rolled up, and ready for the grill, so let's head outside. We're gonna place it over a medium hot grill, and now we're gonna cook these until they reach an inner temperature of between 170 to 180 degrees. You wanna turn them frequently so you don't burn them. You also want to make sure that you grill all the ends of the lollipop as well as the top. And just look at the caramelization. They smell so good. And when you hit that internal temperature, they're ready to eat. And that is how I make my Iberico pork belly steak lollipops with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these little lollipops and see what they taste like. And oh, it smells so good. Iberico pork belly steak lollipops. This is gonna be amazing. Wow. Wow, this is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling. Iberico pork, the best pork in the world.